we are at number 20 Barberry Drive to see this absolutely beautiful double-fronted red brick 3-bedroom home with a master ensuite, walled garden, driveway, garage. It's pristine inside. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. Thank you very much for letting me show you around this beautiful property. If you would like to come and view the property or would like me to come and value your own home, please do get in touch, and I hope to speak to you soon.